So just before buying a course, are you confused, scared, and thinking that is this course legit or is it a scam? So just to clear all these thoughts, I'm just making this video. Very first step is to check the source. So very first thing that you should notice before buying the course is the source that you're getting your knowledge from. Is the person that's selling you the course credible to sell the course or not? So basically, person that's selling you the course should have achieved something significant in that field or should have expertise, some specific knowledge in the skill that he or she is selling you. So typically when you research on a scammer, you'll only find stories without data to back it up. So let's take my very favorite self-help guru as an example, Jim Kwik. If you go on his website, the very first line reads that Jim's been teaching students worldwide, including Fortune 500 CEOs and Hollywood celebrities, to improve their memory, read faster and study effectively. And the very first photo on the site is Jim sharing some amazing ideas with Elon Musk. But it's far from the reality. When CNBC posted an article saying brain coach used by Elon Musk SpaceX, to which he immediately tweeted, his ideas sound sensible but he wasn't my or SpaceX brain coach. I think he maybe gave a talk once. Trust me when I say this, what Jim Kwik teaches is so basic that even a primary school teacher would know and teach their students. Obviously, scientists from SpaceX wouldn't need him. He's not like Wim Hof or knees over toe guy who have developed a completely new system with his own experience. They are doing some good work. Jim Kwik is just a compilation of basic memory and reading techniques. This one even shows how scammers paint picture to sell their courses. So the point is, you will only see stories but no data when you research about scammers. Similarly, when you see Dan Lok, you'll find lots of logical fallacies and inconsistencies which a YouTuber named as Spencer Cornelia pointed out.
But again, this is all after he claims to have been a millionaire and super successful. Notice how everything is so self-proclaimed. Where in here is the success outside of YouTube? I don't see anything about his multi-millionaire copywriting success. I don't see any mention of that at all.
So once you know that the source is credible, it's not that difficult to know whether the course is worth buying or not. Now just for the sake of this video, understand these two terms, static and dynamic. Static is any pre-recorded text, video or audio, and dynamic means any form of live interaction. It could be live video call, it could be one-on-one meeting or a phone call. Now this is just my opinion. I believe that for best learning experience, there has to be a dynamic element to each course, and if you don't have a dynamic element, the course should be really cheap. For example, there's a professional footballer called as 7MLC whose name is Michael Cunningham, who sells his football courses for $10. Now here you don't get any live interaction with that footballer, but the courses itself are so cheap that you won't regret. So another person who is a perfect example of selling an amazing course is Oyo Room's founder Ritesh Agarwal. This is not a sponsored video. I just loved the way he has designed the course, and hence I am sharing this in the video. So here you get a best mix of static and dynamic data at just a cost of rupees 1499, which is not that expensive. And I'll repeat again, this is not a sponsored video. The last step to decide whether to buy the course or not is to ask yourself, is the skill sold to you applicable skill or not? Now this is just my opinion. Any course that is built on money making, mindset, healing, intuition, law of attraction, meditation, and it is costing you over $100 is not worth buying. Why? Because A, you're not learning any real world applicable skill with these type of courses. You'll argue that money making is actual skill, to which my reply would be absolutely not. You make money by selling a product or service, entertaining someone, or solving some problem. You have to learn some skills that will allow you to do these things. Money making in itself is not a skill. B. Meditation, mindset and law of attraction courses are not solving any problem. You will say all high performers, CEOs have mindset coaches to boost their performance. I would say yes, exactly. They have mindset coaches, they use hypnotherapy, they take help of psychologists to heal their traumas, but the difference here is they use dynamic solution for the dynamic problem. Static courses cannot solve these problems. So these were the steps you can take before buying any course that's present online. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Here on this channel we talk about skill learning, productivity, and we have interesting discussions in the form of podcasts. So do check out the videos on my channel. Thank you.